Snowflakes, a pop-up book. Most snowflakes have 6 sides. Some have 12. Snowflakes and the Snowflake Man. The first person to photograph a snowflake in 1885 at the age of just 19 is also the person who first recognized that no two snowflakes are alike. Wilson A. Bentley, now known as the Snowflake Man, looked at snow crystal through his microscope and was amazed that each revealed a masterpiece of design. Through his photographs, he was able to share these masterpieces with the world. They look like lace. And fine cut jewels falling. Snowflakes come in all sizes. Most of the snowflakes Bentley saw in his home state of Vermont were tiny, formed by combinations of snow crystal, each created by water vapor condensing into droplets and freezing on a speckle of dust in the atmosphere and growing as more droplets condenses around it. The largest snowflakes in recorded history fell in Montana in 1887. Measuring 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. They tickle your tongue and land on the snowman's nose. Watch their miracle before they melt. Snowflakes come in all shapes. The shapes a snow crystal takes is independent on the temperature at which it's formed. Some are shaped like columns, some like stars, and some like plates. Snowflakes are very hard for scientists to examine because they melt, and the unique design is then forever lost. The Snowflake Man was frustrated at his inability to complete drawings of beautiful snow crystals under his microscope before they melted, so he turned to photography. All snowflakes are beautiful. Snowflakes on film. Bentley published more than 5,000 photographs of snowflakes in his lifetime, each demonstrating the complexity, variety, and beauty of the infinite combination of snow crystal. The Snowflake Man captured crystal on a black wooden tray as part of his unique process to best reveal the intricate details of each snowflake. Each one is unique, just like you. Snowflakes are all different. The Snowflake Man demonstrated that no two snowflakes are alike. But why is that true? The reason is that snowflakes are each formed by up to 200 snow crystals, each consisting of hundreds of millions of water molecules, randomly scattered throughout, and each shaped by the temperature and wind. That process yields an infinite number of shape possibilities, so no two will ever be identical. Like you are, no one is the same as you. Everybody is unique. Todo el mundo es único, nadie es diferente. Así que nadie busque algo igual en otra cosa, persona, animal, objeto, pues todas las cosas son distintas.